Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 6 Pro and let me share with you how to manage Google account here, so how to add and then remove it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the section which is called passwords and accounts. Of course, here we've got a whole Google section and you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using passwords and accounts. So let me tap on it, and as you can see here we have to take a look at this on this account section. This is the account I've previously added to this device, so let's begin with removing. So let's tap on it, and as you can see it's quite easy. You have to just tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see we just got back and we cannot see this account. What's more, if you've got the screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So you do not have to enter the password for the account, but just the screen lock. So right now we can add new one. So let's tap on add account, choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, and as you can see I've got it saved, but I wanted to say that you do not have to put the full email address. You can just enter this first part before the add symbol and it will be okay. So let's tap on next after entering. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so here you can decide if you want to enable the backup or not. I will leave it like this, so let's tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our account to this device. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your Google Pixel 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.